Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, it is part 4 of the Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupons videos. So we have even more deals, we have more coupon matchups, we have freebies and overages in this video. So we have a lot to go over, but before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button right down below this video because we are so close to hitting 25,000 crazy couponers, and that would be so awesome to hit that milestone this weekend. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any deals. And again, I'm going to ask you all for a really quick favor. If you could, please hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, and share the video. All 3 of those things really do help me out, and it makes a huge difference in how my videos perform, and it's going to continue to help me be able to bring you all of this information for free. And if you guys have watched part 1 through 3, y'all know I put in a lot of time, effort, and hours into making these videos so that you guys will be 100% ready and prepared for this Dollar General clearance event, which starts tomorrow. So again, the clearance event will begin tomorrow, which is Friday, June the 10th, and run through Sunday, June the 12th. On your screen here is a list of all the items that will be an additional 50% off, unless you can find a store that is an additional 70% off, and those are out there. Pretty much every clearance event that I have participated in, I have run across a store that was doing an additional 70% off. So I hope that you guys can find one of those stores too. And just in case some of you all are just now tuning in, I know that a lot of people wait until it gets closer to the weekend to start watching their couponing videos. So just in case that is you, I have been uploading clearance event videos all week long. So definitely go back and check out part 1, part 2, and part 3. Like I said, there are a ton of new POG clearance items, and your stores may or may not be marked. So you're going to need to know what to look for. Alright guys, so jumping into our first category, we have hair care clearance. Now there is an absolute ton of hair dye products included in this clearance event. Every store that I have seen has had hair dye in their clearance section. We have insert, digital, and printable coupons available for you to use with these products. Now I know that hair dye can be pretty specific to the person, but y'all keep in mind, if you run across a 70% off store, a lot of these items will be completely free, plus give you overage. So just keep that in mind while you're out shopping. Now we also have a bonus on Fetch Rewards for 15,000 points back when you spend $8 on L'Oreal Paris hair color. So don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app. Now, a lot of these hair care products that you're going to see in this category were also included in the last clearance event that we had. So I've kind of pared down this category to just include the name brand items. Now, at 50% off, these items are still at a really good price point. Love Beauty and Planet for $1.50, you can't beat it. But the real reason why I wanted to go ahead and include these products again is so that while you guys are out shopping Friday and Saturday, if you run across a store that has a lot of Tresemme, for instance, you can kind of take a mental note. If you don't want to pay that price at 50% off, take a mental note of it, because on Sunday we are going to get a whole bunch of new coupons, and it is possible that a Tresemme coupon pops up. That could mean some free products, some overages, or some super cheap hair care products. So while you guys are out and about, really take note of those name brand items that we normally get coupons for, and that way on Sunday, if something pops up, you'll know exactly which store to go to with your new coupons. Now, speaking of new coupons, on Sunday we will be getting a new digital coupon for save $2 when you purchase any 2 Suave hair care products. And you guys just saw we have a lot of Suave hair care included in the clearance event. All right, so for our second category, we have some shave products that are going to be included in this clearance event. Now, again, some of these were included in the last clearance event, but we do have new coupons this time, so you guys definitely need to be on the lookout for these items. Here we have some Schick razors. They're going to be 50 cents. If you guys can find the Skintimate women's razors, that's going to be completely free, plus giving you $1.30 in overage. So that would be amazing, and then you can apply that overage to other items in your cart. Alright, so here we go with our third category. We have oral care products that are going to be included, and I want to go ahead and mention inbox dollars again, because on inbox dollars there is a 2-cent rebate back on any toothpaste. Now, I know 2 pennies doesn't sound like a whole lot, but those pennies do add up, and at this point we got to save where we can while we can. With the way that the prices are these days, every single penny counts. I do want to mention that the rebates can vary from account to account. I have my account, my husband has his account, and they give us these rebates on everyday items like bread and milk and even gasoline sometimes. So sometimes I'll have like a 2-cent rebate for any type of bread. He'll have a 10-cent rebate for any type of bread. So it does vary from account to account. So if you guys are already signed up, go and make sure that all those rebates are added to your account. If you're not already signed up, I do have a referral link, which is going to be down in the pinned comment below, and if you use it, you're going to get $5 just for signing up. So definitely go and sign up and check it out. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, we have quite a few coupon matchups in this category, and here is one of my favorites. We have Listerine mouthwash. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for these because we have a 1-off-1 insert coupon from the 5/15 save insert, which is going to make those super cheap. Now here in just a second, you're going to see some Colgate products that are included, and I wanted to remind you all to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app because Colgate is a part of their program, and right now we have a 2,000 point bonus when you purchase any Colgate product. So that's going to make some of these items free plus a little bit of a moneymaker. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into some baby clearance. Now this is a category that I have to talk to you all about because all of these items that I have included are POG clearance items. It is very possible that you're going to find them in the regular spot. Now I have to go ahead and give you all a heads up that on the list that I received, there are a lot of baby items included in the POG clearance, so they'll be in their regular spots. However, while I was making my slides, a lot of these items do not have pictures for them, and the descriptions aren't very good either. So I'm going to go out today and scope out my local stores, and I'm going to try to get pictures of those items for you all, and if I do, I'm going to be posting any updates in the community tab. Now, if I get enough pictures, I may throw together a really quick video, but definitely come back and check on the community tab for any updates. Now, I also wanted to mention that I have seen several comments talking about Huggies and Pampers and diapers being included in this clearance event. So far, I have not seen any list, nor have the managers that I have spoken with seen any list that indicates that Huggies and Pampers are going to be included in this clearance event. So I think that's going to vary from store to store depending on their inventory. However, if I find out any diapers are included, you guys will be the first to know, and I'm also going to recruit all of you crazy couponers out there. If you all are out and about and you find diapers in your clearance section, please take a picture, take a note of the UPC code, and send it to me. You can send it to my email, or you can come back and click on any video, leave a comment under any video that you want with the UPC number, and that way when I see that comment, I can pass it along to everybody else. Because honestly, this is something that really breaks my heart. I know that there's a lot of moms out there that are really struggling right now, having to deal with this formula shortage. So let's try to help them out as much as we can. Alright guys, so for our last category, we're going to go over some automotive clearance, and then I'm going to give you all a few last minute tips. Alright guys, so now I'm going to share with y'all some last minute tips, and I'm going to tell you all how I get ready for the clearance event. Now on your screen, I'm showing y'all pictures of my haul from the last clearance event, and I just wanted to point out that if you guys take your time, think about the transactions that you're doing, especially if you have free stuff and overage, you can really come out with some low out-of-pocket deals. So for instance, this one right here, I believe I did it on Saturday with 5 off 25. We had overage from Colgate, Schick, Glade. We had a lot of overage during the last clearance event. So if you guys can plan out your deals, it can really pay off in the end. I paid 76 cents for 16 items. Now this next picture that you're going to see, I found a ton of penny items, which is something that we're going to talk about here in just a few minutes. But I also found some super cheap Angel Soft bath tissue, and I paid $5.42 for 63 items. So really try to take your time and plan out the transactions that you want to do. Alright guys, now let's go over some quick tips. Now my number one tip is to do your homework. Watch the videos that I uploaded this week. I uploaded a total of 4. So go back and rewatch those if you have a little bit extra time. That way those pictures and those images will be fresh on your mind for this weekend. Now also, it's a good idea to take screenshots and save those in your phone, or you might want to get out a notebook and just make like a top 10 list of the items that you want to find and pick up during this clearance event. Now it's also a good idea to set a budget, because it is very, very easy to get out there this weekend and to overspend. Take it from me and learn from my mistakes, because like I said, it's very easy to overspend, and I have definitely had a couple of Sunday evenings where I'm like, OMG, did I spend that much this weekend? Really? Now, it's great to get out there and grab up a bunch of really cheap deals, but definitely don't overspend, because another clearance event will be right around the corner. Alright, tip number 2 is to scope out your local stores. Now I know it's a little bit late in the week to be telling y'all this, but you can definitely run out today, scope out your stores, and like I said, scope them out Friday and Saturday for those new Sunday coupons. So kind of take a mental note while you're out which stores have which products. Alright, tip number 3 is to clip your digital coupons, print off your printable coupons, and to organize your inserts. Now that's going to be something that I am going to be doing tonight because I haven't had time to do it so far. So I'm going to be doing all of that tonight and getting everything organized. I promise you all, it will make for a much better experience if you're not fumbling through trying to find and clip coupons while you're in the store. Alright, so tip number 4 is to check all of your rebate apps. Now this is something again that I would go ahead and do tonight. Check Ibotta, check Fetch, Inbox Dollars, Checkout 51, and Shopkick. Now if you guys are not already signed up for any of those rebate apps, I have all of my referral codes and links in the pinned comment of all of the videos that I've uploaded this week. And if you use those, you're going to get a little bit of something extra just for using my referral codes and links. So for instance, on Fetch, they're going to give you 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. On Ibotta, they give you an additional welcome bonus, which is usually $10 or $20 welcome bonus. And then on Inbox Dollars, they're going to give you $5 just for signing up. So make sure that you guys are signed up and add all of those rebates and offers to your accounts tonight. Now, while we're talking about inbox dollars, you can also print off your printable coupons through inbox dollars, and you're going to get a little bit extra. They're going to give you 1 cent for every 2 coupons that you print off, and then they're going to give you back 20 cents when you use that coupon in the store. So definitely go through inbox dollars to print off all of your printable coupons. Now, another website that I'm going to be using is called pnggoodeveryday.com, and again, it's linked in the description box or in the pinned comment. This is a website where you can go to get coupons for P&G products specifically. So if you're like me and you don't get Tide or Downy coupons in your area, you can go to this website and print them off from there. Alright, so tip number 5 is to prepare the night before. Make sure that your devices are all charged up. Pack your extra charging cables or battery packs. Y'all know once we get into the stores and start scanning items, those batteries drain fast. And then also you might want to pack some snacks and drinks, because if you're like me, I get into the store and I just lose track of time, and then I'm stuck in the car and I'm like, I'm starving. So pack y'all some snacks and drinks. And then y'all don't forget, we've got that 5 off $25 coupon for Saturday, and you can use that with all of these clearance items. Alright guys, now if you have any information that you want to share, such as UPC codes or coupon matchups, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below. I'm going to be keeping a close eye on that all weekend long, and I'm going to try to reply to as many as I can. So leave that down in the comment section below. Also, if you missed out on any of the videos that I've uploaded this week, I'm going to have all those linked in the pinned comment down below for y'all. So I've got that information video going over everything that you need to know about clearance events. I've got part 1, part 2, and part 3, and now y'all are watching part 4, so those are all jam-packed full of visuals, coupon matchups, freebies, and overages. So y'all definitely go back and check those out if you haven't already. Alright guys, now let's get to 25,000 crazy couponers. So before you go, hit that subscribe button, make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video. Also, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below this video, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. It has been a very long week, but thank you all so much for hanging in there with me. I appreciate y'all more than you know. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and an awesome weekend, and thank you all again for watching.